Ja, not the real Will Smith, and we got another for your mother. Today's the day after the Mustang meet. If you guys haven't watched that video from yesterday, y'all go ahead. YouTube, you know, not the real Will Smith. Make sure you also check out Instagram as well to find out. And y'all also go and check out Lavish Car Reviews because he's in there with the Mustang, a GT Premium 2019. All right, let me get y'all a cold start real quick. Guys, so again, we're going to the car meet today, but my rims are dirty from yesterday. I washed it yesterday, spray wash, didn't do nothing. That's why I'm not a fan of it, but I'm about to go get some water now. It's warm enough where I don't have to worry about nothing, and I can clean it like real quick. WD-40, essential. Extra quarter oil, essential. Bags, probably not. Man, all right, I know I'm late. I'm just getting water in here real quick. I don't want to mess it up. All right. Yeah, so I'm getting water in the bucket, guys, so that I can clean my rims at the car meet. Because I told him I was going to be there at 11, but I woke up pretty late because I was editing yesterday's video. So stay tuned for that. All right, yeah, we out. All right, so I'm out here, and no one's out here. These are regular cars. So this is Red Cinema's movie theater. Kind of confused. They said 11, right? But it might be later. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and wash my rims. Not the real Will Smith. We back out here. Before they weren't even out here, but now they are. So let's go take a look. Josh got fenders. he has a supercharger on this, and he has a roll cage. I like his spoiler. And the plastic part, it can like go up and down for more downforce.
I kind of want one of those lips for my spoiler.
Okay.
They make them just kind of like 3M tape it on, a little lip.
At the top part.
Yeah.
It'd be like.
Yeah, kind of like
Yeah. Who's driving a truck like that? Oh really? Hey man. Hey, chill out. No. Yo. Oh snap. Hey. That is hilarious. Hey, this is a front-facing camera.
Make it to meet at the same time.
I'm trying to tell y'all. We all out here. We got both Joshes in one spot. We got Aaron right here, and we got Lavish. Hey. Ah! Real quick, we got the fit for today brought to you by Old Navy. Chicago Bulls is Bulls Nation, and all of us are Patriots fans. I just don't got no attire on right now.
Raven Nation.
They doing good this year.
We doing great this year.
I'm gonna let him eat that though.
Lead the height.
It's real.
You know my Mustangs out here.
10 years.
Hey.
We got 10 years.
4-cylinder till I die, buddy.
8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I wouldn't mind having a
I wouldn't. What's the price on these this model year?
Come on, the R.
The R. Huh? You said 1,700.
Yeah, they pay them to take it. It's like 75, 80,000.
Oh.
Well, that's the one. Yeah, there we go. Video.
This one?
That's the Shelby GT350R.
But did you do a video on this one before?
Yeah, but not since you did the stuff to it. You can do some stuff on it for your channel.
Okay.
That right there is what you need to do. That one's dope.
It probably have to be when I come back.
You got roll cage and everything. You know?
Let's look in here. Lavish is speaking highly of this, so.
That's the one that's getting the pro charge.
Mmm.
How them taillights look, Scotty?
Oh, it's so clean.
I don't want this. I heard that last Arwana.
This one's nice. Except the other ones. Even just a Stingray. What year is this? Which I think? It's a stick?
It's a 60s, yeah, they are stick.
It smells like I don't know.
First paint? It's carbureted.
No, carbureted. Thank you.
The engine's like right here. That.
I think they're called NTP pipes or something like that. But they're not like regular boilers or anything like that.
I wonder if Mustang might have want the insurance, you know.
I don't think anybody wants the insurance. I have no tickets, but it'll still be high?
Hmm?
I have no tickets, it'll still be high?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough.
I wonder what his job is. 'Cause he's got an R.
Maybe what Thanks for giving me a heads up.
Exhaust itself. So a friend of mine worked at the dealership. He helped me put it on.
Mid-engine. Two-step. This is dope.
Yeah, yeah.